Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install 1xBet app on iPhone in any country. This is really easy. Before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at the section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get the bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300. All you have to do is to click on your profile icon at the top right. Next, you're just going to click on your iCloud profile. Now you are going to find out all these options. So you're just going to click on country or region or pays ou région. Then you're going to find out this option of modifier le pays or region, where you are going to click. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to Colombia. So here is Colombia. So you're just going to click on Colombia. Now you're going to accept the terms and conditions at the top right. And here you're just going to enter all the information necessary. So you're going to click on Ningunga, just here. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to all these options here. So you're going to click on this first option, and here you're just going to enter Carrera. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to the option where you're going to enter 232101. Now you're going to click on the next option and just enter Mobile. Next, you're going to select all the way down here Cordoba and then press on OK. Now on the phone number, you're first going to enter 541. Next, you're going to enter 56, 80 and 94. Then you're going to click on OK and you're going to click on Next. Now that it's done, you're going to head directly on the search bar, and now you're going to enter in the search bar 1xBet. And here you're going to find out that the 1xBet app is available for you to download. So you're just going to click on it, and here you're going to click directly on this optional to get the 1xBet. And it's as simple as that.